Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to fix the dev error 6036 for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you guys can do is simply restart your PS5, and you can do that by clicking on the PS button on your controller and heading over to power, and then just simply clicking on restart PS5. Once you do that, just open it back up and check to see if the error code has been fixed. If that does not work, the second method you guys can do is head over to home. Once you do that, click on the options button on your controller and check to see if there are any updates for the game. If there are, just simply update them, and if you do update them, that should fix the error code that is going on. And yeah, so the third thing you guys can do is actually head over to settings, and you're going to type in language. You're just going to search for language. And yeah, so for some reason the error code is this is a temporary fix, but the error has something to do with the language. So if you just change it to French, Spanish, or Portuguese, the error might actually fix. So yeah, and then other thing you guys can do is head over to home. You're gonna go to manage game content, and the language you currently have, if it is not installed, like I'm using English and it is installed, but if yours is not installed, you can just simply install that, or you can just install another language like Spanish, Portuguese, or French, and you can use that, and that also does fix the error code. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.